Selamat pagi semua. Di sini saya mengulang rekaman untuk TTM 1 dikarenakan saat TTM 1 kemarin ada masalah dengan deboot dan saya tidak bisa mengoperasikannya saat itu sehingga tidak ada rekaman di hari pada saat TTM 1. Jadi ini saya ulang kembali recordingnya apa yang telah kita kerjakan ketika TTM 1. I would like to record now what we already done in TTM 1. At the time we just have some discussion about the task and also the weekly journal that I assigned to students to submit to me, and there's some students that they don't get what I meant and what I want actually about the bi-weekly journal. So later on I will tell to all of you the students how to make the bi-weekly journal and how to make the format actually about the bi-weekly journal. Hari ini kita akan membahas sedikit tentang bi-weekly journal karena ada beberapa dari teman-teman yang tidak atau kurang paham tentang bi-weekly journal yang saya assign kepada mahasiswa. Jadi saya akan jelaskan kembali bagaimana menuliskan bi-weekly journal itu dan formatnya gimana. Okay, so here before we have a quiz, I will tell you first what quiz apa yang akan kita bahas di hari ini dan bagaimana prosedur penilaiannya juga. Jadi saya akan memberikan paragraf, ada satu paragraf, ini ada 3 slide di sini, dan teman-teman semua saya tugaskan untuk mentranslate paragraf ini, dimana ini akan menjadi nilai nantinya di quiz teman-teman semua. Jadi ada satu paragraf dan juga ada beberapa terms atau istilah dalam bidang defense dari beberapa bidang yang sudah saya ambil seperti economic and trade also, dan juga ada dari beberapa modul yang sudah saya sebutkan sebelumnya tentang ujian dari teman-teman atau kuis dari teman-teman. Jadi ini ada 2 penilaian. Yang pertama menerjemahkan paragraf dan yang kedua adalah menerjemahkan istilah-istilah dari kata-kata ataupun phrase yang sudah saya tuliskan atau yang sudah saya buat di paper yang akan saya bagikan nantinya ke teman-teman semua. So this is about the quiz you will do later on after I talk to you a little bit about our bi-weekly journal and some your task, because some of you, as I said, you didn't get what I mean and what I want actually about the bi-weekly journal. So it's okay about this, and I hope that you will do your best in this quiz, because it will be affect your grade later on. Okay, so we'll continue to talk about the bi-weekly journal. Yes. So actually, bi-weekly journaling exercise, as I told to you, I don't need really a long or a really many pages that you send to me. No, I just said to you that you just submit to me like 200 to 300 words about what we already learned every online teaching with that. So some of you wrote quite good, but the others is just like you copy paste from book and then you make it like too long, like 8 pages, 10 pages. I don't know why you do that, because I said to you only 200 to 300 words, not 2,000 words. So here I will give you some feedbacks or comments or suggestions about your bi-weekly journal. So this is the first student. It's about construction and engineering. It's about module 1 and 2. Yes, she wrote really good this bi-weekly journal, but as I found in that book that she just copy paste from book whole word. So I don't really need you copy paste from book, because I told to you that what you've already learned and apa yang sudah teman-teman dapatkan dan apa yang teman-teman ingin tanyakan yang mungkin belum mengerti ketika kita melakukan online teaching. So here the students is maybe she thought that I couldn't find those sentences in book, but actually I found it. So saya tidak uh, saya tidak menginginkan hal yang seperti ini, karena ini tidak ada artinya, karena ini semua ada di buku dan teman-teman bisa baca. Jadi yang saya maksudkan adalah teman-teman membagikan, menuliskan apa yang sudah kita pelajari dengan kata-kata sendiri. Saya tidak bilang, I don't say that you have to be like a professional writer, no, because we still learn. So I just like want to know that how far you understand about our module, okay? Ini mahasiswa kedua contohnya. I didn't mention your name and I didn't mean to make you like really ashamed, no. Saya bukan bermaksud untuk mempermalukan, bukan. Ini hanya untuk gambaran bagaimana mengerjakan biweekly journal yang saya maksudkan. So this is good. Ini student yang kedua lumayan, dia menggunakan kata-kata sendiri, tetapi totally she used Indonesian. Dia menggunakan hampir semua bahasa Indonesia. Since we are in fourth semester, karena kita sekarang semester 4, and our course is about translation 2, dan mata kuliah kita adalah translation 2. So I think that you should like make even like 50 in English and 50% in Indonesian. So at least 50% of English you have to write down in your biweekly journal, okay? Student yang ketiga, the third student is the same, I think. She also copy paste from book, I guess, because since this is like she mentioned key points, like she put some key points from construction and engineering, but actually she just took it from books, okay? Yes. Student 4, it's quite good, as I said. She make it in English, she make it in Indonesia, but this is also from book. She took it from book, okay? It's quite same with student 5. And the student 6, this is what I want actually. She mentions, she write down what she really learn and what actually she really get from what we learn every online teaching. And also the student 7, because she put what she get from our online teaching, and I think that she also take from books, but not totally. So it's okay, you can like adapt from book, but not totally copy paste, okay? So okay, there's the 7 students I mentioned as an example for you. So this is some rules, as I mentioned again, to make sure that you write your biweekly journal in a good way, okay? The first thing is totally no copy paste from book or slides they already gave to you, because even if you do so, it doesn't make any important things for me, because I don't really need kind of that. I can read it in my PowerPoint, in my slides, and I can read it also from books. So what you have to do is write down what you learn by your own words, okay? And then if you want to take it from book, you need to paraphrase or interpret it. Don't copy paste, okay? And then it's about your understanding. Also, you can write your questions or whatever you didn't catch when we did online teaching. And remember, it's just only 200 to 300 words, okay? Not more, okay? So it's like a half page. And you have to submit that 2 days before the next class, so that I can read it and then I can uh, I can answer or I can help you if you have some questions in that biweekly journal. Okay, and please name your file with the format biweekly uh, space what number of biweekly, I mean which, and then task, which task, and then your name and student ID, because all of you like make this the same file, like you wrote down my name, so I cannot differentiate which one is like Mustika, which one is Arina, so it takes time to check one by one. So please name your file with this format, and it will be good and it will be efficient for me to check your biweekly journal. Okay, so that's all about our rules in biweekly journal. I'll continue to about your exercise. I give you two exercise actually uh, in the last of our online teaching 4, I think. Yes, in the online teaching 4 or 3. The exercise, you have to translate the sentence or the praise that I give to you. So like China can count on, so you need to analyze these words that I make in red, as I already told to you, like count on, what does it mean, pillars, what does it mean in this praise. So you don't exactly translate the word, but you need to analyze, okay, based on what we already learned. And it's same also here. And for the exercise 2 also, you need to mention whether it's adjective or noun, and what changing happen in the praise, whether it has any change, like from active to passive, from adjective to noun. So you need to translate that, and you need to analyze also. Okay. So I think that's all, and you'll have a quiz like 1.5 hour, about 1.5 hours. So I'll give you this paper, and as I say again, do your best, because it will be affect your grade, and hope that no cheating, and then do it seriously. Okay, thank you.